Hello, today we will guide you through how to get back disappeared notes in Microsoft Outlook. If your notes seem to have vanished, don't worry, this walkthrough will help you surface them quickly. We'll start by making sure your Outlook layout can actually show where notes live, and then we'll use search to bring them back into view. Begin by opening your Outlook inbox and letting the page fully load. Give yourself a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account and mailbox. Sometimes notes appear to be missing simply because the folder list is minimized or the current view is hiding parts of your mailbox. Next, look along the top of Outlook for the View option. This is where you control how things are displayed. Finding the View control is important because if your folder list is collapsed, the space where notes would normally appear can be out of sight. Click View to open your layout and display settings. You should see options that affect what you can see on the screen. This is your central spot for bringing hidden panels and panes back into focus. Now choose Folder Pane. Selecting this makes sure the folder list on the left side is available. If it was collapsed or set to a compact state, this action helps restore it so you can see all mailbox areas again. After doing this, scan the left side to confirm your folders are visible and expanded. When the folder pane is showing properly, it's much easier to locate items that seem to disappear. If you prefer a faster route, or if the pane change didn't surface what you need, head to the search bar at the very top of Outlook. This is the quickest way to retrieve content, even if it's tucked away or not immediately visible. Click into the search bar and type a word or short phrase you remember from your note. Think of a unique term, a project name, or even a short sentence you're confident appears in that note. As you type, Outlook will begin presenting results. Watch for items labeled as notes or entries that look like your sticky notes content. If you don't see what you expect right away, try a different keyword, a shorter phrase, or a distinctive spelling you used in the note. Small adjustments can make a big difference in what turns up. That's it. By restoring visibility with the View settings and then using the search bar with a few smart keywords, your disappeared notes should reappear. Once you've found them, take a moment to keep them in a spot you can easily return to so they stay just a click away next time. Thanks for following along.